Hello students of Standard 10. In Geography, you are going to learn Chapter 3, Soil Resources Part 2. In this, you are going to learn about the major soil types. In India, if you see, there are varieties of soil found in different parts of the country. Why is it so? There are various types of soil because of various types of rocks, different types of climatic condition, different types of vegetation and relief features. And because of this, there are four major types of soil found in India. First is alluvial soil, second is black soil, third is red soil, and fourth is laterite soil. Today you are going to learn about the alluvial soil. What do you mean by alluvial soil? The soil which is formed due to the deposition of alluviums transported or brought by the rivers in the low-lying areas, in the river basins, in the delta region or in the coastal areas. So, alluvial soil is also known as transported soil. Why? Because it is formed by the rivers which transport alluviums and deposit them, and they form alluvial soil. According to the formation and the location, alluvial soil can be divided into three areas and three types of alluviums: the inland alluvium, deltaic alluvium and coastal alluvium. Inland alluvium is found in the interior part, mainly the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra valley. So the Ganga river basin is the largest inland alluvial soil area. This inland alluvium is mainly found in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, parts of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bengal and Assam region. These are formed due to the deposition of alluviums brought by the rivers which are rising from the Great Himalayas. Second is the deltaic alluvium. Deltaic alluvium is mainly found in the deltas of main rivers like river Ganga delta, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri delta. So these large deltas have alluvial soil which is formed due to the deposition of alluviums brought by these main rivers. The third is the coastal alluvium. In the west coast, in the narrow part, and in the east coast which is wider, coastal alluvial soil is found, and that is found at the coast due to the sea waves or tides. So these are different types of alluvial soil. What are the main characteristics of alluvial soil? On the basis of their location, from upper Ganga valley to the lower Ganga valley, they are coarse in nature, and in the lower Ganga valley, they are fine. So, according to their location, different types of alluviums are found. If we say they are rich in minerals, they are rich in potassium, lime and humus, and they are mainly found in the areas where they are deposited by the rivers. They can retain moisture, and therefore the alluvial soil is very good and fertile for agriculture, and that is why there is a large part of alluvial soil, about 40% area, is covered by alluvial soil in India, and that is very useful for agriculture. The main crops which are grown in this area, they are rice, wheat, millets, oilseeds, some pulses, all and some cash crops like sugarcane, cotton, jute. They are cultivated in this alluvial soil. On the basis of their characteristics, their composition, texture, and nature, alluvial soil is divided into two categories, Khadar and Bangar. What do you mean by Khadar? The alluvial soil which is found in the lower Ganga Valley, and that is replenished every year due to the flood. And in this area, silt, there is high content of silt and fine particles. New alluvial soil is found in the lower Ganga Valley region, and that is known as Khadar. And in upper Ganga Valley region, there is coarse material like large particles are found and deposited in the river basin, and they are conquered, pebble, larger rocky materials, and they are coarse in nature. Older alluviums, if we see their color, Khadar is yellowish in color and Bangar is light grey in color. And about the fertility, if we see, Khadar is more fertile than Bangar because Khadar is made of clay, it is clayey, contains moisture for a longer period of time, and Bangar that cannot contain moisture for a long time. So these are two types of alluvial soil found in Ganga Valley. Bangar found in upper Ganga Valley and Khadar is found in lower Ganga Valley. Do remember the difference. Khadar is made of new alluvium and Bangar is made of old alluvium. Khadar is yellowish in color and Bangar is light grey in color. According to the formation and their characteristic, if we see the deltaic alluvium, they are also very good and fertile, and the coastal alluvium, they are also, but because of the tidal effect, they have high content of soil. So this is about the alluvial soil found in different parts of our country. Thank you.